With much lower capital expenditure and requiring less infrastructure than conventional methods, ECM can revolutionize your barrel production. A non-contact process with no requirement for stress relieving increases production rates. With surface finishes of better than 0.2 micrometers RA and very high production rates, it is the ideal choice for small and large manufacturers alike. Accurate, repeatable, and with very few consumables, Merlin Machinery's ECM technology sets new standards in barrel rifling. Merlin Machinery's rifling systems are the culmination of many years of process development by Pendragon Precision and their specialist ECM partners. Streamline your barrel rifling processes and choose Merlin.